What drew me to mechanical engineering started early. I've always been the type of person who likes to know how things work. Whenever I was young, my dad would pull me into the garage and we'd work on cars and boats together. And our family always bought used vehicles, which meant that we had to learn how to fix things ourselves. That hands-on problem solving is what really pushed me into mechanical engineering. I've been at Kuraray America for 12 years now. Today, I'm the assistant production manager at the Kai eval plant. Our team works together to continuously improve the process, making it safer, more efficient, while maintaining high product quality. Our products are used in a variety of applications, whether it's food packaging to extend shelf life and reduce food waste, or in automotive to prevent fuel vapors from entering the atmosphere. Knowing that our products are used in everyday applications and that they benefit people and the environment is what makes it meaningful. People don't always realize how collaborative this work is. No one works alone, and we all depend on each other. The most rewarding part for me is whenever we can solve really difficult problems together as a team. If you're curious about engineering, you don't need a degree to start. Find a book, learn something new, and apply it to something real. Engineering is really about building on what came before us. And today we're much better at documenting and sharing knowledge, which means that progress will happen more quickly and with better information. At Kuraray America, the improvements we make give the next generation of engineers a better starting point. I hope that in my career, I'm able to continuously improve because real advancement doesn't happen with one person. It happens when each generation builds upon the last.